We're here at Southern Manufacturing on the Guhring stand. I'm here with Chris. We're here to talk about a new product. Now, what's the new product?
The new product that we've launched at EMO last year, but we're first showing here at Southern, is the new sharp milling cutters.
Brilliant. So what would people be interested? Who is going to be interested in the sharp milling?
The sharp milling cutter is designed for everybody. It's a very multi-purpose. It'll cut most materials. It's very good in unstable cutting conditions. So, for example, driven tooling and the like.
So yeah, I know it's the variable pitch cutting flutes. And also, what I'm amazed by, general purpose, you say that, but you actually mean it, because on the back here it says we do steel, stainless steel, aluminium, special alloys. So really, I don't. It's amazing that you can actually just use this end mill and you can stick it in a chuck, and no matter what part tool you're doing, whatever part you're making.
Absolutely, yeah. It'll save on a lot of setups. You've got, if you're doing different materials, you can leave the same cutter in and just run it on different materials. The other advantages of the sharp cutter is it's got an extended flute length. So I think the flute's about 12% longer than a standard, so you can obviously get into the pockets and do all sorts of different machining with it.
Meaning you don't have to move to long reach tooling, which sometimes induces chatter and whatnot, so actually it means it's a much more stable process as well when you use the sharp.
Yes, absolutely, yeah, and it's also set up, it's ideal for ramping, for slotting, for all sort of milling applications.
Brilliant, but could it be used in lathes as well?
Yes, absolutely, yeah, because it's got the unequal helix and it's very stable. You can use it in a machine with much less stable conditions, such as on a machining lathe or a machining centre.
Brilliant. So if you've got any general purpose milling or lathe applications for any materials, it sounds like the sharp is the first end mill to go for.
Sharp is the one to go for.